Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you do. Today we're going to take a look at my 2007 Sequoia. We're going to install a bull bar on it soon, but I noticed that there's some rust on this inner metal bumper under the plastic bumper, and I'd really like to get that taken care of before I install the bull bar. So there's the rust on the inner bumper, and I just want to take care of that before we get that bull bar installed. It's just surface rust, so it's not a really big deal. So you can see the rust I was talking about, and there's a few spots that I couldn't see, so we do want to go ahead and take care of that before moving forward. Also, I did find that there's kind of a hidden screw to take the bumper off right here. It is cut out for it, so it wasn't too hard to find, but I think on the older models that was not actually cut out. So what we're going to do is take a grinder. It's a new tool I got. It's a Milwaukee M12 fuel. We're going to go ahead and try to get all that surface rust off, scuff the paint so that we can paint it and it'll stick well. I'm sure you saw I had the big face shield on with the RZ mask, and I had earplugs too, because I think all that protection is really important. You can see we got it all ground down pretty well. There was a couple of spots like right there that were pitted enough that I had to get out the big DeWalt corded grinder with a brush cup on it to get those taken care of. But I've gone over the whole thing. I'm going to scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite pad real quick as well, just to make sure that paint's going to stick, and then wipe it down to get any residual dust off. But hopefully this is going to turn out really well. Anyone with painting experience will tell you that preparation is everything. So I've done everything I can to keep it off the vehicle itself, headlights, body panels, even the splash guards and the driveway, just to try to make it the best possible outcome. I got 3 different black paints to experiment with. We've got the Rust Reformer, the satin protective enamel, and flat protective enamel. I think the satin's the closest to the factory sheen, so I think that's what I'm going to go with. It was probably a mistake doing them on the red cardboard though, just because it's not showing up as well as it probably would. Alright guys, it's the next day and I'm really happy with the results from painting. Certainly no expert, but it's definitely the tone and color and texture I was looking for. I think it looks really OEM, so I'm quite happy with it. Let it dry overnight just to be sure so we don't cause any problems when we're getting the bumper back on. Then we'll get that bull bar installed as well. Alright guys, we got that bull bar installed. You can see I had to get out the big guy to get these big bolts out for the tow hooks, which you can see it bolts in factory bolt holes there. Same on the other side, had to pull that and then it bolts up in there. Really happy that I went ahead and took care of painting this because all this would still be exposed and be surface rusty, so I think it looks really nice. This is the Armordillo Bull Bar. Really happy with how this job turned out and I'm really glad that I did it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have anything you want to add that I didn't include, please put that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks!